The current time is 1 p.m. You are listening to the National Weather Service Radio, station KEC 78. Operating on a frequency of 162.55 MHz. Here is the weather outlook for Salt Lake City and surrounding areas. Today, sunny, with a high near 54. South wind around 8 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear, with a low around 33. South-southeast wind 7 to 9 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly sunny, with a high near 55. South wind 8 to 11 miles per hour. Sunday night. A chance of rain before 11 p.m., then rain and snow likely between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m., then snow likely after 2 a.m. Cloudy, with a low around 30. South wind 8 to 10 miles per hour becoming northwest after midnight. Chance of precipitation is 70%. New snow accumulation of less than a half inch possible. Monday, snow likely. Mostly cloudy, with a high near 37. West-northwest wind 7 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New snow accumulation of less than 1 inch possible.
The following message has been transmitted of a request by the South Lake City Police Department. An hostile individual has been reported roaming around stores in the city limits. This individual had given the following description. White male. About 6 feet 6 inches tall. Blonde hair. Eyes with no pupils or iris. A light blue shirt, blue jeans and black-gray shoes. Law enforcement was not able to identify this individual yet, but do know that he may try to rob money and abduct children of any age. Residents urged to lock windows and doors, and ensure the safety of their children. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information about this situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. We may return you back to your regular programming.
Thursday, mostly sunny, with a high near 31. Thursday night, mostly cloudy, with a low around 18. Friday, partly sunny, with a high near 37. And now to the hazards for this area. Lake effect snow warning for Salt Lake City and surrounding areas remains in effect until Sunday night. What? Heavy lake effect snow and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 inches. Wind gusting as high as 50 miles per hour will produce extensive blowing and drifting snow with near whiteout conditions at times. Where? In the Great Salt Lake area. When? From tomorrow morning to Sunday night. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility with near whiteout conditions at times.
As much as move smaller packages. We're doing a lot more of that. It gives you more breadth and more reach in terms of the customers that you can serve.
The freight rail is the most environmentally
The following message has been transmitted of a request by the Salt Lake City Police Department. We have important information about the individual who continues roaming in the city limits of Salt Lake City. Apparently, anonymous residents believe to know the person which they named Herobrine. Shortly after, it has been confirmed as such. Residents of Salt Lake City are advised to call 911 if they see this individual. A description can be found on the Salt Lake City Police Department's website. The previously issued law enforcement warning remains in effect for the time being. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information about this situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. We may return you back to your regular programming.
and really try to keep the economy going.
As the industry looks to the future, automation and the rise of self-driving truck companies like Embark and Plus could take more of the freight industry's market share.
If you think about it on a per mile basis, there are estimates that an autonomous
Inside you?
Sure, why not? I need JohnMalkovich.com. Who has it?
What the f*** is going on? How the f*** can you be John Malkovich?
Dear Mr. Malkovich, guess who? What the f***? Question mark? What the
The following message has been transmitted of a request by the Salt Lake City Police Department and the Centers for Disease Control. The hostile individual with the name Herobrine has somehow released a toxic, but non-deadly gas into the air, affecting the entire city with it. Residents urged to keep all doors and windows locked, and shut off all ventilation systems. Symptoms of gas inhalation include, but are not limited to, red dots over the body, coughing, running nose, dry throat, headache, and in some cases, nose bleeding, body pain, and in rare cases, migraine and vomiting. If any of those symptoms appear on you or your family members, seek medical attention immediately. The gas can only spread over air, but you are still advised to keep a distance of at least 5 to 6 feet, and cover your face with a scarf or mask of any kind. For more information, please tune to the EAS Detail Channel 13. You are listening to the emergency alert system. We may return you back to your regular programming.
Got what you want, got what you need. Be your dream, I'll be your fantasy.
This message has been transmitted on request by civil authorities. We need your help. The police is looking for an abducted child with the name Steve Brooks. 8 years old. 4 foot 9 inches tall. He was last seen wearing a Minecraft shirt and dark green shorts. This child is believed to be abducted by Herobrine, who could not be arrested at the time. If you manage to see Herobrine or Steve Brooks, contact local authorities or the police immediately. You are listening to the emergency alert system on the AT&T Uverse smart television service. This is a child abduction emergency. Further details and updates can be found on the primary EAS channel.
The following message has been transmitted of a request by civil authorities in Salt Lake City. The following alerts will be allowed to expire by 3:20 p.m. this afternoon. Shelter in place, law enforcement warning, and child abduction emergency. However, Herobrine has been unable to find. He was last seen leaving the city southbound. Further action from the public is not needed. You have been listening to the emergency alert system. Normal programming resumes shortly.